Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Civic door handle. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, a 10mm socket with a ratchet, and a trim removal tool. Having a new door handle ready is key. These usually cost between $30 and $60. A good light source, like a flashlight, will also be very helpful for seeing inside the door cavity. To begin, we need to access the handle's internal mechanism. Start by carefully prying off the interior mirror trim cover and any small plastic caps that hide screws. Next, remove all visible Phillips head screws, typically found behind the interior door handle and in the door pull. Then, use your trim tool to gently pry the door panel away from the door, releasing the plastic clips. Finally, disconnect any electrical connectors and door lock cables before setting the panel aside. With the door panel removed, you can now access the exterior handle. Look inside the door for a 10mm bolt that secures the handle. Remove this bolt. Next, locate the actuator rod connected to the handle and carefully pry off its plastic clip to detach the rod. Once the rod is free and the bolt is out, you can gently pull the old door handle away from the door and remove it. Double-check for any small clips or brackets that might remain. Now let's install your new door handle. Carefully slide the new handle into its opening, making sure it aligns perfectly. Reconnect the actuator rod to the new handle, ensuring the plastic clip snaps securely into place. Then, reinstall the 10mm bolt to firmly hold the exterior handle. Finally, reverse the steps for door panel removal. Reconnect all electrical connections and door lock cables, snap the door panel back into place, and reattach all screws and trim pieces.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.